how you can get to your first $500 per day or $1,000 week with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can go from zero and start having results and why you're struggling. And maybe, again, it's not your fault, but maybe you tried affiliate marketing and it didn't work out for you. Somehow you lost money. You bought different coaching programs, courses. It didn't work out. Now, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you in 6 minutes exactly why you haven't got any kind of results. So let's go straight into it. All right, later you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram, but now let me go straight and show you exactly so you can understand what is going on and how you can get results. Okay, so first of all, right, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to understand we are promoting other people's product, and for that you need to have attention with intention. Okay, only having audience eyeballs on your landing page, on ClickFunnels or your website, it's not enough. Why? The reason why is because, okay, if you want people to swipe their credit cards and debit cards and buy those weight loss supplements, diabetes products, info products on manifestation, right? You will have to have attention with intention, buyer's intent. That's why we call it buyer's traffic or buyer's leads, buyer's clicks, okay? Those are human beings, just like you watching this video, clicking on the link, on affiliate link and buying the product. But for that to happen, there are 5 points you have to pre-sell. Again, let me repeat myself. Pre-sell, not sell, in order to get a sale, a conversion, what we call it, right? A conversion. So for that to happen, you need to understand this. Pay attention, okay? Write it down if you have to. Okay, I'm giving you $5,000 value for free in this video. So basically, this is your offer on ClickBank, right? This is the bridge. From point A to point B, there is emotional gap. Okay, there is something missing. Okay, in that gap, you fill that hole with your offer, all right? So we have low emotional states audience and high emotional state audience. Now, it will depend what kind of language patterns, what kind of copy you're using, copywriting you're using. It will depend, are you making sales or losing money on ads? Okay, again, when we work together, you don't have to spend a lot of money on ads. Why? Because I'm giving you buyer's list, okay? Email list, a traffic rotator, so you can speed up and fast track your process and start generating more quicker sales, okay? So you can get to $500,000, $1,000 in a week or even faster than that if you're using buyer's list, okay? More about that later, but the most important thing you see over here, right, is this is what most of affiliates are doing. Again, it's not your fault. You have been taught by other gurus online, right, on ClickBank to do this kind of BS that you're seeing over here, which doesn't work. Why? Because again, you're getting curiosity clicks. It means you're getting people who are just curious enough to click on a damn link and nothing happens. They don't buy. Okay? So we need intention over here. Look. Intent with attention. Together we have a buyer over here at the top, okay? Now, let me ask you, right? If you could make money online, you wouldn't be watching this video. If you could make it alone. But you don't. And the reason you don't know, and again, it's not your fault if you don't know, it's because maybe you tried all other things in the past. And let's be honest, you bought some coaching programs, maybe you bought some course from someone, okay? Some guru. And let's be honest, have you ever had a chance of getting the WhatsApp number, the personal number? Mostly not, right? Most of the gurus will not give you their phone number at all. Only maybe chat bot email where you can just reach them once per month or something like that, right? I have never seen anyone give their personal cell phone number. Again, after you finish this video, below you can find my WhatsApp personal number, but only if you're serious, okay? If you really want to take it to the next level in 2024 and actually install this method and duplicate it so you can start having personal real results. Okay, so let me show you how fast and how quickly you can make $500 profit per day. Talking about not revenue, not sales, but net profit in your bank, like cash in your bank. Okay, if you have low ticket product and low ticket product over here, right, you can see 90%. It's usually commission on ClickBank. It means you're earning $90 per sale. And remember, there are also upsells, so people are gonna buy all other products on the top of that, so you can earn with 2 sales $500. a day, or even one sale a day. Okay, it's not a magic. It doesn't take a genius or someone special to make it happen. Once you have someone who can hand holding you along the way, step by step, okay, 101 to show the results, of course. So let me show you over here. Remember this, write it down. People do not buy when they are in the problem state. They buy when they're in the solution state. So you can see everyone on ClickBank is competing for this over here, for solution aware people, because they don't know how to put someone into the problem state and then move them through your ad copy into the solution state. So as you watch this video, if you're really serious, smart, I know you are because you're still watching this video, and you want to get results, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links, my personal WhatsApp number, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, email, everything is under in the description. You can find it under each video, okay? But only if you're really serious. Do not reach out to me, okay? If you're an excuse maker, if you're a procrastinator, if you don't want to get results, if you're afraid to invest some money into yourself to actually move the needle and start generating some kind of really, really good results. Okay, so after watching this video, you can subscribe, you can watch other videos, but the most important thing, if you're really serious, and again, you don't have to be scared to spend a lot of money on ads. The reason why is because you're getting upfront buyers list. It's kind of like audience who are past buyers of similar products, so maybe usually 50,000 to 100,000 people, and your affiliate link is going to be included into the traffic rotator, where you're getting the sales, where you're getting eyeballs on your affiliate link. Okay, so you can reach out to me if you're more interested about how exactly this can work out naturally and effortlessly for you as you watch this video right now. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tips.